Zarang Apostle IK, the chariot rider, the one that began the clay pot breaking in Zimbabwe. Wose akaiswa muhari, whether wakaiswa muhari nambuya vako, whether nenganga na nevaro yokumusha kwako. You come for deliverance, we break the clay pot and you are free. Wakarambidzwa marriage yako yakatorwa wakaiswa muhari, we will break the clay pot, you will be free. Vana vako vakatorwa wakaiswa muhari, wakanza ufe wakabata mwana, we will break the clay pot and you will be free. Matsamba ako ekuendesa kubasa, matsamba ako ekuendesa kubasa, my certificates, degree or diplomas have been put in a clay pot. We will break the clay pot and you will be free. Zvose zvawakanza azviite because wakatorwa zita rako rakaiswa muclay pot, we will break the clay pot and you will be free. Kune vanhu vanoshandisa maclay pot to capture, to manipulate, to remote control my destiny. I raise the clay pot, I break the clay pot, your life will be free. Kune vanhu vakatsidza kuti no matter where you go, enda kumhiri kwemakungwa inonoshanda, you will not have money, you will work and you will work for nothing because wakatora mari yako wakaisa muclay pot. I will break the clay pot and you will be free. So I'm calling men and women that are scattered all over the world to come for deliverance. This is clay pot breaking deliverance. Kuna vanhu vakaiswa mastars ako, your stars were put in a clay pot, your destiny was put in a clay pot, and somebody vowed that no matter where you go, enda ako mhiri kwemakungwa kwira ndege, but you amount to nothing. Enda ako kuchikoro, have a degree, become a professor, become great as far as academics are concerned, but at the end of the day remain useless because they have taken your pictures, they have taken your certificates and put them in a clay pot and vowed kuti sekuvhara kwataisa clay pot kuti avhara life yake. I will raise the clay pot for you and I will break it for you and your life will be free. Wherever you are watching me from, I want you to begin to go right now for deliverance. Deliverance is there, is available and is practical. The only way that you see that you've been delivered is you begin to see zvanga zvakamira zvotenga kufamba. Kune vanhu vakatorerwa zvibereko zvavo zvakaiswa muharanza, haufi wakabata mwana. Kune vanhu vakatorerwa mamarriage avo akaiswa muharanza, haufi wakaroorwa. Kune vanhu vasikuroorwa, not kuti havarooreke, but they've been captured. But as we break the clay pot, your life will never remain the same. My name is Apostle IK, the chariot rider, the generational deliverer, the clay pot breaker. As I break the clay pot, your life will be released, and whatever was captured will come looking for you. Be blessed. Shalom.